Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix battery drain on Windows 11 25S2 or later. If your Windows laptop is losing battery faster than usual after the latest 25S2 update, don't worry at all. There are a few easy tricks that can help you extend your battery life and improve the overall performance. Battery drain is often caused by unnecessary background activities, location tracking, or outdated apps running inefficiently. That said, let's get started. One of the first things to do is to clean up your storage. When your disk is cluttered with unnecessary files, your system can work harder than needed, consuming more power. To do so, open the Settings app on your device and then choose the System option located in the left sidebar. After that, choose the Storage option. Now you can use the Storage Sense feature to remove temporary files and free up as much space as needed. Then we have to disable background app refresh. Many apps run processes in the background even when you are not using them. To do so, head over to the Settings app. After that, choose the Apps option located in the left sidebar. Then we have to select the Install Apps option. Then we have to turn off the background permissions for the ones you don't need running constantly. Another simple but pretty effective tip is to turn off location services. Constant location tracking can drain your battery quickly. Therefore, make sure to take control of location services feature, as it is extremely power hungry. To do so, open the Settings app and then head over to the Privacy and Security option located in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and choose the Location option. And then you have to disable the toggle for location services for the device or individual apps, depending on your needs. And finally, keep all your apps updated. Outdated apps may not be optimized for the latest update, leading to performance issues or even higher power usage. To do so, open the Microsoft Store on your device and then check for updates to ensure everything is up to date. With these changes, your system should run more efficiently and your battery should last longer. Small optimizations can make a big difference in daily usage, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily fix the battery drain problem on Windows 11 25S2 or later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and to subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.